walkthrough is a great way to communicate the design and layout of projects that take up a large area of space, such as industrial plants, residential layouts, and interior design work. The walkthrough is intended to simulate viewing perspective of a person surrounded by the modelled environment. Although a moving camera is a fantastic way to visually communicate a room, following a true perspective of a person set within the location provides a more virtual experience in the video playback. The workflow would typically begin with sketching a path for the walkthrough to follow. This can take as many turns as desired to capture all the areas the walkthrough needs to go into. A simple toolbar allows the user to control the field of vision and how fast they would like to move along the path. It is possible to record and create video playbacks of the walkthrough. There are levels of photorealism available to the user depending on the intended audience. The output video can simply be CAD geometry as seen in the viewport, or you can take things to the next level by rendering every frame in the animation timeline.